Water Bufalos Junior Division. And at starting five, starting at shooting guard, jersey number 88, Aquino. Small forward, jersey number 24, Picturama. At center, jersey number 2, Kessel. And a power forward, jersey number 4, D. And a point guard, jersey number 13, Guillermo. And from the home team, San Jose City Rice Beaters Junior Division. Starting five, starting at shooting guard, jersey number 52, Apable. At center, jersey number 8, Villar. Small forward, jersey number 29, Donaldson. Guard, jersey number 16, Cablada. And a power forward, jersey number 09, Satumba. Sa trabaho sila ba yung toss? Kung regalo na yung congressman. And sa pag-ibig kesa na Villamar. And ang sunset first position sa Tumba. First basket for Sunset. And Aquino looking for the receiver, and still by Apable. And Apable drive by the basket, and again. And Apable sends the screen by Villarama. And Apable penetrate, pass outside to Ventura. Find the shoot, and Apable sends that, Chris. And grab the board by Aquino to Guillermo. Guillermo kicks out to the middle, to pass inside, Bendy. As it is good, maybe. Apable to Ventura. And a pass down the again. And a shot block from the line. Aquino to Guillermo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And a pass from the Quezon. Nari, placing Nari, D. And Barasoli naman po. 5 shoot. Abella, second step. And still. Quezon, here comes Picturama. Picturama, penetrate. Body on the floor. And still by Villamar. Penetrate Picturama with the ball. And after the event, finish. And a good back. Abella. And a pass break. But pass turnover. And a two throw. Basket is good. And here goes Picturama. Kicks out to the other side. Wide open three. Look two. On the score, 2-point lead, San Jose. And Ventura, double defender. And it's good. Guillermo saved the ball. Lays up. Back to there. And a Ventura. Abella, baseline drive, and a shot block again. There's a contact foul. Guillermo Tubaran, and Liam Sparangan, fighting the open man. And to D from top of the game. Change the lead. And a pull up J. And away up. But the rhythm of the kind of Vladimir at the break. And a pull up D. Basket count, follow jersey number 28. And they get some plan of pass to the middle. Pangan to Apable. And a pass inside. And a off the mark. Guillermo gets the ball, take the back pass to Marangan. And from the circle, yes sir! Napakailalim din. Singing to dismiss. And here comes Torres, kicks out to Marangan, step back. And Marangan sending the play to Torres. And then pass inside, still. Pellegrino, double breaker. Pellegrino, and Marangan, Pellegrino, and it's still by Canazo. Out of the way, And Torres then pass it on their baseline. Marangan and the running pass in the middle. Torres step back, kicks out to the other side. Tegana puts it up. And a win off. Big rebound by Abable to Peregrino. Peregrino swing pass to the other side. Pass inside, reverse. And Abable. Back to Peregrino. Peregrino with his hand. Pass outside. Here comes Abable. And Abable. Peregrino inside. In and out. And Abable with the rebound. Then Mountain grab the miss. Tegana running. Timbarangan. Parangan. Oh, bottom shot. Goal! And here comes Torres. Against by Barroso, double defender. Timbarangan. 10 seconds. Acrobatic shot. Oh! Overpass again. Is Timbarangan. Happy Ventura inbounding. Ventura to Abable, sets screen. And Abable dropping, pass to Ventura. Kicks out to the other side. Abela baseline and jumper to throw. And single, 80 shoot. Swing pass and from beyond the arm. And off the mark, we will get the one. Barbo with the ball, pass the middle. And cover again by Barbo. Save the ball by Barangan and inside pass by Malipe. Too strong. And a big rebound by Abella to Abable. Abable back to Abella. Abella again, this side is the good. Rebound by Victoria. And Tigano at the middle to the open man. Big drama, pass outside to Barbo. And a single can shoot. Belmonte to Tigano. Tigano pay. 5 to shoot. To Barbo. And again, jumper short. Rebound by Abable. There we go. Shot up 10. And here goes Abella. Abella and puts it up. He missed. There's a rebound again by Abella. For the opportunities and his block. Big drama. Drop pass to Barangan. Follow up. Too strong. And a drop pass to the middle. Belmonte. And will be finished by Belmonte. 22. Abrano to Barangan. And a Barangan, single ball by Arabin, pass to the middle. Abrano, turn around, Jay, drop pass inside. Goal! One nice connection from and here comes Barbo. Still, big guard. And Abable running, drop pass. Barangan, back to it! Barangan, Nalibre. And to Arabin. Arabin big, and puts it up. He missed. And grabs the board by Abable. Peregrino with the ball. Pass to Abable. Abable spin. And from Peregrino mid-range, he missed. Goodbye. Keep the ball. Arabin, quick answer. And here's Peregrino to Barroso. Barroso looking for teammates. Put Hernandez from the outside. Back to Barroso. Barroso kicks out. And left corner 3. Back to. Save is good. 27.3 Munoz. Barroso to Peregrino. And a pass to the other side. A baseline. Fernandez on the line. And a turnover. And Aquino on the run. Abrahano and spin. Shot is denied. Simple. And I still by Abable to Hernandez. Peregrino running to the open man. And next pass gets the ball by Abrahano. Quick release. Miss. And a big rebound by Abable to Peregrino. Back to Fernandez. Pass outside, and here comes Palazzo. Lose the ball, save the ball by Villamar. Underneath, leading out. And I'm trying to miss field again by Benaventura. Benaventura lays up, put it in! 59-26, 3-point lead. Kilgero, hang inside pass. And a way up, the rebound by Villamar. Here comes Benagrito. Benaventura is still. And a Guillermo. And a Javi in the air, too strong. Missing rebound, put back. Hebron. Aquino to La Paz. And a pass to Abrano. Baseline, lays up. And a missing rebound. And battle for one still by Benagrito. Come to steal, play Guillermo. No pass inside. Goal! Injury. Medic. Benaventura to Palazzo. And Palazzo dribbling the ball. Back to Benaventura. Pass outside to the open man. Palazzo pay. And kicks out to Pangan to the open man. Benaventura. Elbow shot. And basket skip. Benaventura. Atorano to Aquino. Guillermo gets the ball. No pass inside. Wait. And again, there's some goal. Benaventura to Palazzo. And Palazzo kicks out. Fernandez gets the ball. Abrahano lays up, miss. And a rebound by Benaventura. Palazzo, hallelujah! Yes, sir! And 14 seconds on the shot clock. Fernandez and a Palazzo three. He missed. Aquino to Abrahano to the other side. Basket for two. Long two. And 30 seconds remaining. Fernandez back to Benaventura. And still the pass. On the break. Gets away. And Benaventura. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. And a foul. Will minutes. And here comes Palazzo. Palazzo, Perde, lays up short. And rebound by Abrano. And a pass out teammate Aquino. To Victorama. And a Panakan. Aquino. Inside pass. Go! It's connection. And a Fernandero to Apable. Apable, Apable shot. And a easy basket by Apable. Abrano. Quick counter. Second one again, good. And rebound by Victorama. Akane is in the game, Benaventura all alone. He got it for two. Then the shoot. And Benaventura for the cut, pull up J. And off the mark, it's a rebound, underneath, bounce pass off Pable. And Pable goes inside, lays up, too strong. Pable again for the second time. And Pable for the ball. And a jump ball, Munoz Husky. Benagrito to Benaventura. And Benaventura pull up J. And they get big rebound by Abrahano. Victorama with the ball. Here comes Palaran running. And Abrahano passes the open man to Guillermo Pig. She passes Victorama. Victorama goes inside to the open man again. And logical play. Ring! Guillermo. 5-39. Naman pa rin po ang Science City Munoz. Benaventura. Benagrito with the ball. And Spain was the one still. Guillermo. Victorama running for the Munoz. Paraga. Patre. And it gets the ball. Hit one. Basket down and follow to see. And nabalik up to double digit, 39-49. Pangan to Pablo. Then the shoot, Tablara kicks out inside sa Tumba. And a big drama, side stepping move. Yes sir! Ganda naman doon. Bigyan mo against May Poroso. And extra pass, kicks out baseline. Para! Wow! And it puts it in. Tablara to Pablo, wide open three. Airball. And I grab the mistake now. Para to Parangan. And a drop pass. Finish is good. Tekan. And a big drama. Fighting to Opiman. Tegano, Adore, and pass to Miguel. And one! And a lemon loose basket one. Century. Pertadero back to Baronzo. And a Baronzo sends screen by Pangan. And a screen by Parangan. Game Guillermo. And a Boracan. Big drama sino mo. Gigano and extra pass to Opiman. Left corner three. And a in and out. Put back. Abrahano. And a quick. And Guillermo beat the basket. And that's the end of the third quarter to score. Pellegrino to Baroso. And the shoot. And Baroso kicks out to Pellegrino again. Quick. 5 to shoot. Pass to Vidal. Pangan from mid-range. And off the bar. Rebound by Victorama. And Torres kicks out to Reyes. And Reyes for the cut. Abrahano drive. Reverse layup miss. And rebound by Pablo. Baroso. And a baseline. Pangan pull up team. And this is good. Because Senior Division. And Alicap Finals. And today once again, Rizal versus San Senior Munoz, Alicap Finals. Baroso lays up. Good today. Drama. Running by the public. Big drama dribble the ball. Fight the open man. And Abrahano with the ball. Abrahano turn on the game. Still. And stolen by Pablo. And step back. Pablo goes inside. Back the back pass. And then check by D. Big drama running. Big drama waiting for teammates. And a big drama pass outside. Torres wide open three. And a good three. Torres. Baroso full of game. In and out. And rebound by Reyes to Torres. And there is space on the target. And TV the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And Victorama. 5 to shoot. And again Torres. And this side is still good. Pellegrino, Pangan, other play. Yes sir. And Reyes. To the again. And a big rebound by Portasio. Ventura and a kicks out drop pass. Baroso. Big one. Abrahano and a kicks out Torres. And a pass inside. Drop pass. Reyes. Picks it up. Puts it in. Pablo with the ball. And here goes Baroso. Baroso leads up. And it's good. Baroso. Back to Barboquet. Barboquet inside pass. D. And that one goes basket in one. Benaventura with the ball to Amelia. Can shoot. And Barroso sidestepping move. Still by Torres. Torres is out inside paint. And in and out, patulog rin ang kick back by Lee. In and out again. And right again for number 2 to Lee. And there's a good foul coming. And Barangan gets the bucket. Final quarter. And here comes Benaventura. Still that Marco on the spin, Benaventura. And I take the shot, jumper miss. There's a rebound by Abela. And Abela puts it up. And way off. Abela for the put back, dug it again. And for the second time, Benaventura, deep in, miss. Parasa, shots the block, and Abela the goal. And here comes Abela. Can shoot. Abela doing this, Carla lays up. And a bottom for the ball, rebound by Quezon. Para to Guillermo. Guillermo goes inside to the middle, Belmonte. And Barangan. Guillermo. Fires and three. Guillermo. Benaventura to Afable. And a bounce pass to Barroso. Pass inside for the Lopus. And to the Abela Pink. I did it. And that one goes basket in one. Foul. Guillermo with the ball. Losing the guy. And a 1-on-1 by Benaventura. Guillermo and a corner cut. Short. Put down another again. And a big rebound by Pable. Guillermo on the road. And release it. And Monte with the rebound. And Aramid. Here goes Reyes. And Aramid is still by Pable. Thunder still. Akala to Belmonte. And that's about by Reyes. So pass on Hill, baby. And last 2 minutes. Pable, go to pass on Pable. Pass away, lose the ball. And cover, play Pable. And at the break, easy basket. Okay, in the main event, Senior Division Rizal versus Science Munoz. And a shot of Pable negative. Bishop rebound by Benaventura underneath, too strong. And Pable for the ball. Belmonte pick the ball to Atayde. Atayde shooting in the air. And one. Basket count of Paulo Juicy. That's sportsmanlike Paulo Juicy, number 12. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. And it's little bit Pellegrino. And the big city. 40 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. And that's the end of the regulation. The final score 87-63. Winner by Science Munoz, Water Buffaloes. That's the end of the ball.